Hey, I wanted to hop on here and quickly show you this outdoor fake landscaping rock. If you're anything like me and you love having a tidy yard, but those unsightly things like a wellhead or electrical box can really ruin the look of a garden, I'm excited to show you this outdoor essentials faux rock cover with you. Before, this spot was such an eyesore. Every time I looked at it, it drove me crazy because I wanted a solution that looked natural, but it's something to cover up the electrical stuff in our yard right here. So I got this faux rock cover. It's designed to blend seamlessly into your yard. And look at the texture. It's so realistic, you'd never know it's not a real rock. So it's perfect for hiding the electrical box for me. Don't let its lightweight design fool you. The faux rock is made from a durable fiberglass composite, so it's sturdy enough to support the weight of an adult if you want to sit down and take a break on it. And even in bad weather, it has not moved. So my yard looks clean and polished without those unsightly distractions of the power box. And it's such a simple fix, but it made a huge difference in my flower bed. I love how it blends right in with everything. So if you're looking for an affordable way to hide those problem spots in your yard, definitely check out this rock cover.